In this video, we're talking about some really great summer sales, and these are some of my most favorite and most worn pieces. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Ashley Parke. This is Parke Avenue, and I have all the fashion content. So if you love that, make sure you subscribe and hit those notification bells because now is not the time to miss an upload. Before we talk about these sales, I want to say a huge thank you to you guys. I loved all the comments that you left on my previous video. I just wanted to check in and see if everybody was all right because I know it's just a funny time right now, everything that's going on. And so I'm really happy that you guys are finding joy in watching my channel no matter what. So thank you guys for being here with me, and I'm happy to have you every single video. And I always read through the comments, even though I don't get to respond to every single person. I always go back and read through comments, and it's just nice to be able to chat with you guys. And actually YouTube has started something called communities, and so I'm going to update you guys in a future video, but there's going to be a place where we can chat a little bit more often. I know some of you follow me on Instagram, and so we can talk in DMs and everything over there, but this will be more like a community based real-time chat that we can have with each other. So stay tuned for that. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so let's get into some j.crew pieces because I've just been loving j.crew pieces right now. I think they have some of the cutest pieces, and I don't know what's going on while they're having so many sales because I feel like the items are going on sale pretty early, like right away. When they get something new, it seems like they have a sale not long after that, but I'm not mad about it because I love the pieces. So first, let's talk about these textured pants. I really love these. I actually just found them when I just happened to go into a j.crew, but when I went online, I saw that they had way more colors because they don't have all the colors in the store. And so I am debating if I'm gonna get another color because I do really love them. They're nice and long. If you are tall, I'm about 5'6", and they have a little bit of drag. So if you're a little taller than me, you should still be good. I do find the waist is a little big. I mean, it has an elasticized waist, but I feel like I can get the elastic taken in a bit just so I don't have to, you know, pull them up every so often. I feel like it'll just be just a little bit better of a fit, but I like how flowy they are. Really, really beautiful. Now, I tend to buy something that I like in a bunch of different colors, and I'm trying to get away from that unless I know I'm just going to reach for all the colors that I have it in. But I really tend to just reach for the same, like if I like something and I like that initial color, a lot of times I'll reach for that one color over and over again, you know? So I'm not sure if I'm gonna grab another pair, but they are really great pants, and they're just easy throw on pants. And honestly, as a curvy girl, I find that it's hard to find satin pants that fit well and are comfortable. They're not too tight across the hips and all that. So these might be ones to grab in another color, you know? And at the time of me recording this video, j.crew is offering an additional 50% off the already marked down price with a code that they have listed on the website. I'll have the information in the description box. And different colors seem to be different prices, but the burgundy pair that I have is on sale for $99, down from $148, and then you get an additional 50% off that $99 with that code. So I think it's a really great deal for a really great pair of pants. Next up, this premium weight crop t-shirt. Absolutely love this t-shirt. So happy that I found it. I only got it in the khaki and the white because I first didn't even realize that it came in so many colors. And I really just needed those basics because I have been on the hunt for a really great t-shirt for a really long time. I found some that were just cool, but these are kind of perfect. I love the crop, I love the fit, and they're not so cropped that they're gonna show like midriff. They're just a boxy crop, and they're an easy, comfy t-shirt that is a great weight. Even the white one is not super see-through, it's not clear. You know, when you find a white t-shirt so thin that you can just see through it. And I feel like those t-shirts actually do have their place, but I just needed something that was a really great quality, a nice thick material, and just perfect to just throw on. And so I have them in a couple of colors. The t-shirt is originally $49.50 and it's down to $19.50 in some of the colors. j.crew does have a tendency to put certain colors on sale. Even right now with the sale that's going on that they have, certain colors might be even cheaper than others. The black and white are full priced, but the black is on back order. So once that comes back in stock, or once they finally have it, I'm gonna grab the black as well. I think it's a great t-shirt even at the $50 price point, just considering the fact that it's so hard for me to find a t-shirt that I just love all around. But it is great to be able to have some of the colors for a really inexpensive price point. So grab those if you're looking for some good t-shirts. Next up, let's jump over into Banana Republic, another store that I've been loving lately. And this crossover crepe top, it's cropped, it has a little bit of like ruching, and it is an interesting basic, and that's what I love about it. I grabbed it in black, and it is on sale. Now, I mentioned when I first got this top, do not get this top if you feel like you get easily annoyed when things are not like easy to put on, because the top, because it has like a crossover feature, it can get a little bit all over the place when you're trying to put it on. And so it just takes a little patience, but once you have it on, it's super cute, and I've been able to style it a couple different ways, and I just think it's a really great top. Even if you got it in both colors, the price point is really good. It was originally $80, but now it's on sale for $38.99. Next, let's jump over to Banana Republic. First up, this bubble hem cropped top. I get so many comments and DMs about this shirt when I show it on Instagram, and even over here, a lot of people ask me about it. It is sold out in the stripes. I hope some of you were able to grab it, but the solid colors that are available, I think are really great. I love a basic black anything, and then it also comes in this really bright, like tomatoey red color. Now, it is different price points. It's $54 and $64, but the original price is $80, and this is something you can wear every summer season, even though it's a bubble hem and it's super on trend right now. Overall, it is pretty classic. You're not gonna get tired of reaching for it every summer, every time the weather's warm, or maybe when you're traveling for vacation. It's just a really good all-around top that adds a little bit of drama. I did size up in mine because I wanted it to be even more blousy, but even if you got it in your true size, it's still gonna look great. Next up, this has been one of my favorite items to wear even before the weather warmed up. This cotton silk cropped cardigan from Banana Republic. I love this. And just side note, I really love shopping at Banana Republic and j.crew and Gap. I'm going to talk about a pair of jeans later on in this video, but I really love these places that I've always shopped at and continue to shop at, because a lot of times they'll use natural materials. Like this cardigan that I'm showing you is a cotton silk blend, but the t-shirt that I love that I shared earlier, that's a cotton shirt. The bubble hem shirt that I just spoke about, that's 100% cotton. So a lot of times you can find really great materials at affordable price points, and that's what I love about these stores. But back to this cardigan, I love this because it's a classic silhouette, but the crop is really perfect. Banana Republic has been really good with their crops. I love crop jackets and shirts, and they have been really, really good about them. So this one is great. I am considering another color in this one as well, just because I love the way it feels and the fit. And then it also comes in a really pretty orange, would be a nice color pop to have, because I have been buying a lot of black summer pieces, but I think it would be nice to have like a little bit of a punch of color. And then of course, because it is a cardigan, I can still wear it, and you know, throughout the fall. But this is really great. I love the silhouette on this, and it also comes in black. Again, with this cardigan, the different colors are different price points. The original price was $120 for this cardigan, but the black and the stripe are on sale for $84.99, and the orange is on sale for $79.99. Next up, let's talk about this cropped bomber jacket. So cute. So cute. So I'm happy it's on sale now. I actually also got it on sale during their friends and family sale. And I think what the one that I got, the color that I got, what it's on sale for is pretty much what I paid for it. Originally, this jacket is $200, and right now the navy blue and the sage, like the green sage color, is on sale for $59. And it also comes in a cream, which is on sale for $79. But the original price of the jacket is $200. And I think either color you go with is going to be great, but I have been on a navy kick for a while now, so I just would say go ahead and grab the navy. Let's talk about a few pieces from Madewell. It's not a store that I mention a ton on my channel. I'm someone who really shops. If anything is cute, like I'll try it. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't matter where it's from, but I don't often shop at Madewell, but lately they've been having some things that have been catching my eye. Let's start with this shirt dress. It's really cute. I don't always love a bubble hem, and you guys know that. I've shared that a lot on my channel, but this one, it was really cute when I tried it on. I like a shirt dress in general, so that's really what made me want to try it. But when I put it on, I was pleasantly surprised. It does have a shorter like silhouette, like a baby doll kind of a style. I like the pinstripes on it. It just comes away from the body. It's just an easy dress that you can throw on all summer. And it's just a nice shirt dress. Originally, it was $138, but it's on sale for $99. So now I'm thinking about it. But let me know what you guys think. Is it a cute dress? Would you try it? Let me know what you think in the comments. Next, let's talk about these sandals. I've had for a while now, actually, from Madewell. They are really cute. I would even recommend them at the full price, the $118. I think it's still a great price point because they are a really nice sandal all around. They seem well made. They're comfortable when I wear them. They're all leather. They have the ankle stripe. They're just a really great sandal. And I just feel like even the shape of them is just really interesting. And I got a lot of compliments when I wore them, you know, which is interesting because I didn't even think that I would like them as much as I do, because they are pretty basic, but they do have some like nice, interesting detail, and they're a really great classic. And the color is really great. That's also something I was hesitant about, because this cherry wood color is a little bit of a red or brown, which I don't really reach for it, but I've been reaching for it a lot, pairing it with a lot of things, and I really like it. The different colors are different price points. The cherry wood color that I have and the tan suede with the silver grommets is on sale for $89.99, and the black is on sale for $79.99. Now, since I was very interested in that shorter bubble hem dress, when I came across this longer version of a bubble hem dress, a different style, but it still has that bubble hem, I was like, you know what, this one is actually cute too. I would try this one. And I like that it comes in two really great colors. It comes in white, which I've been looking for more white dresses for this summer, just like clean white dresses. And then it also comes in a really pretty green, and it has smocking on the top, and then it looks like just like a cotton poplin on the bottom. And I feel like this could be another really comfy, easy summer dress that has some really nice interest, but you don't have to worry about it being hard to style. Like if you have the sandals that I showed you previously, you can just throw those on with either color and it would look really great. This dress is on sale for $99, down from $148. And the last item that is on sale in different colors, again, different price points, but the silk scarves at Madewell are excellent. They have different sizes. I've seen smaller silk scarves, but the ones that I go for are the huge, like oversized silk scarves, because you can wear them as tops. You can wear them in your hair. You can wear them over your shoulder, like over a trench. I've shared it styled that way as well. You can do a lot with them. You can even tie them through your jeans, like a belt. You can tie them around your handbags. You can do a lot with an oversized silk scarf. They're just great little color pops or just fun things to add to your accessories. And I just love that they are 100% silk. And I think there was a little bit of confusion when I shared the scarves from Madewell previously. I think in the description, they had it listed as a silk satin. Now, I don't see that anymore. When I go back to look, I see just 100% silk. I don't see the silk satin. But either way, satin is just the type of the fabric. It's just the properties of the fabric. Silk is the material that the satin is made from. So you can have a satin that's made from polyester, any man-made material, or you can have a satin that's made from silk. The satin is just the sheen that the fabric has. It's the way that the fabric is weaved to create the material. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, go ahead and hit up Google, because you can find a lot of examples to help you understand what I'm talking about. But they are 100% silk, and I love that, because at a $68 price point, that's still pretty good, because silk scarves can be very, very expensive at retail. But the good news is you can find these on sale. Here's the last piece that I want to talk about, and it's these baggy fit jeans from the Gap men's section. Love, love, love. They're currently my favorite pair of jeans, just because I love the wash. I love the way they come away from the body. I got the waist tailored to, fit me properly. It was very big on the waist, but once I did that, the rest of the jeans just gave me that silhouette that I was looking for. Kind of like a trouser, They are loose, comfortable, relaxed, and the wash is perfect because they have like that green tint to them, that green hue that makes it feel a little bit vintage, but they're very soft. Highly recommend. They're originally $79 and they are 50% off at the time that I'm filming this video. So they're $39. Definitely need to get yourself a pair. That's it, you guys. That's everything that I wanted to share in this video. Those are some of my favorite pieces right now that I have been wearing over and over again. So I'm happy that they're still available and on sale if you wanted to grab them. And let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know if you guys grabbed any of these already, because I want to know like what you think and how you've been wearing them and loving them. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you guys subscribe and have your notifications turned on, because I have lots more content coming up. If you want to catch me on any of my other socials, I'll have that in the description box as well. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.